What's up, everybody? This is Gary D from DIY Dollar Bills. How you doing today? Today, I'm going to do a series of videos. This is the first of a series of 5, maybe 6 videos. The first set of videos, I got my package from 888 Lots. Let me just move the cam down just a little bit so you can see the 4 boxes I got. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I got kitchen items. I paid $325 all in. That's $277 and $48 shipping. Now, the price that I got was the first purchase. I got 50% off, so the prices won't be that low for me anymore. But in the future, it says I can negotiate prices. So I mean, if I can get 25% off on some future deals, that'll be a good deal, because these prices look like this. All brand new kitchen items. I've already opened the boxes and inspected, and just about everything in there was brand new. And I actually pulled up here. I got, how many items did I get? 83 items, and the items came up an average cost of $3.92 an item. Now, that's all in with shipping. For tax purposes, I put the shipping separately as a tax expense, as an expense, and then $277 for the 4 boxes of inventory. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to just start laying out. I'm going to do, this video will contain 1 box, part 2. Unlike my other videos where I show a cost, I usually put up here a cost of turn this off. I put up here like a cost of what my profit. I'm not going to be doing that in these videos, because in video number 5, you're going to see me for the very first time, and you don't find anybody on YouTube doing this. Ship for Amazon FBA. I've only ever sold 2 college textbooks on Amazon before, and they were fulfilled by merchant. Means I shipped them from my house. I did the whole thing and shipped it, boxed it, shipped it myself. The Amazon shipping discount, they actually gave me back, I think, $5 for the shipping cost, where I had to pay like $11 or it was textbooks, so I paid maybe even a little less. I actually made out on that in that case. But this is going to go Amazon FBA. I probably won't be doing any Amazon FBM on any items that I'm allowed to do. So in video number 5, you will see me for the first time ever. I'm going to video record myself, actually taking just a few. I'm not going to do everything, but I'm going to go through every single item, and some of them I will record, of going on my Amazon seller account and trying to see if they will approve me to sell any of the items. Some I already know before I bought the shipment that I can do, and some I could not do. All right. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to show here is the one thing that is being kept. I took a picture of it here, and it is beautiful, and it sells on Amazon for $69. Now, that's the advantage of being a reseller, is that sometimes you find stuff you just like, and you would probably buy it, but the price was too high. But for $3.92, I don't know if this can be seen. It is you know what? I'll be back in 1 second here. I just paused the video so you could see I got it's a scotch bottle. This is nice. I don't really drink scotch, but let me pause the video again and put it back. Okay, so the scotch bottle we got sells on Amazon for $69. It'll probably sell for a little bit less on eBay. I didn't even bother check because we're not even going to sell it. All right, so we're keeping that. All right. So I got my desk here in front of me, and let's start with box number 1 for this video. And we got some kind of water bottle here. It says it's Owl Good. I just happened to look this up on Amazon, and it's like $5 or something like that. On eBay, it's $12. I just looked up one item just to see what it was. So anything that I don't sell on Amazon will go to eBay, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark if possible. All right, so I do cross-listing between those four, but anything that goes to Amazon stays only on Amazon. I can't cross-list it. Of course I can't. Even if I decide to do Facebook Merchant and keep it myself to ship it myself, I won't be cross-listing that at all. I just don't know enough about Amazon to delete listings and stuff like that quickly yet. All right, so it's all good. Water bottle. Stuff the bottle here. We got two cork bottle wine openers. Got two of those. All right. We've got this is a insulated mug, swig, insulated mug here. All right. Let me try to, we'll just leave it there. This is one of those vacuum sealing zipper bags here. Set of those, shield and seal. Right. This is a Nike insulated reflective lunch tote bag. I'm getting afraid of some of this stuff. I don't know if I'll be able to sell that Nike one on Amazon, but that would be a Facebook Marketplace. Somebody will probably grab that up. Here, we got mother and daughter aprons. How cute. Huh? All right. Next thing here, we've got silicone bear molds. Put make little ice cubes and stuff in there. All right. What's this? This is some kind of tray holder, organized space organizer type thing here in the bag. Space organizer. Here we got this is a whole party, a cup and straw type thing. See, something heavy like this, I hope they'll let me sell it on Amazon, because this will be a hard sell on eBay because it's heavy. You know, Facebook Marketplace for a pickup would be great. Same thing with these cups. Got a whole set of paper cups here. This is like 100, 150 cups. The cost being so cheap per item, but I just want to interrupt this real quick by saying, on 888 lots, when the lots are manifested, it will tell you. I put an average price of $3.21 per item, but it tells you the individual price of what you're paying per item. Some items are 50 cents, some items are $20. So everything has its own cost. I just did an average cost because I'm not worried about there's things I've sold from past videos where I've lost 50 cents. Well, most everything I've made 20, 30, 40 bucks or something on it. So I don't mind the 50 cents. I just want to get rid of it and sell it. You know, not everything you're going to get, every single item you're going to get is going to be exactly profitable. And you shouldn't have to worry about that all the time. The goal is to make most of the items a lot more extremely profitable, so the other stuff where you lose $1, a little bit on, you're not worried about it. It's cash back in your hand. Otherwise, you could just try to sell it for a higher price and it stays on the shelf forever. Like this dang Monopoly game. You've seen in my past videos. It's still there. You guys want to buy a Monopoly game? Comment in the video below. We work something out. It's a Monopoly Despicable Me 2 game, by the way. All the pieces are there. Alright? Let me know. Alright, lunch bag. This is some kind of lunch bag. Pretty polka dot type of cloth. Yeah, cloth lunch bag. Here. Two more items. This is a set of wine glasses. It's sealed. So I'm not going to open it up. I'm going to use the information that's on the tag here to see exactly what it looks like. Hopefully that can go on Amazon. I want to take the pictures off. And if I can't sell it on somewhere else, but I'm not going to open that box up. And finally, out of this box, Star Wars glass Star Wars glasses. Now, when I specifically saw Star Wars, I'm like, I punched in the number on Amazon, the ASIN number, and I said, nah, you're not gonna let me sell this. Maybe I can get a good thing on this on Marketplace. I'm actually approved to sell this. I don't remember the price. I don't think I even went to look for the price. I just went to go look to see if it would be approved, and it came up. Go ahead and list, or whatever. So this is definitely going to Amazon. It's more than a pound. It's about maybe close to 2 pounds, and shipping is probably over 2 pounds. So I just want to get this to Amazon and let FBA merchants and stuff go on there. All right, this is the end of video number 1. So video number 1, we have these items here, and that's it. So comment, subscribe. All right, subscribe to the video. You're going to see video number 2 coming up. I'm filming these right in a row. I'm going to lay them out probably every other day afterwards. But that's it. 888 lots to Amazon, and if it don't go on Amazon, eBay, Facebook, Marketplace, Mercado, something like this. Poshmark. That could probably do Poshmark. That's probably the only thing here that could go on Poshmark too. But that's only if Amazon doesn't accept. All right. So this is Gary D with DIY Dollar Bills with video number 1 of 5.